Okay, today we are starting with the next preparation, that is preparation of aldehyde. Preparation of aldehyde from acyl chloride. Preparation of aldehyde from acyl. What is aldehyde? CHO group is called as aldehyde, and acyl chloride means what? Okay, acyl chloride. So here we can say acyl chloride is reduced to acyl chloride is reduced to corresponding aldehyde by using hydrogen in the presence of PD. PD is called as a palladium catalyst. Okay, so we can acyl chloride we can convert into aldehyde by using which method? Reduction, and reduction can be done by using hydrogen in the presence of palladium catalyst. Okay, now I'll write down the formula here. RC double bond OCl. Generally, this type of organic compound are called as acyl chloride. To that, we can add hydrogen in the presence of palladium containing small amount of barium sulfate. See, we are adding hydrogen in the presence of palladium as a catalyst, correct? Containing small amount of barium sulfate. Barium sulfate, this is called as barium sulfate. And now here what happened? H2. So one H will get added to this side and one H will get added to this side. So what we get here? RCHO. So we get RCHO is called as aldehyde. Plus H and Cl combined together to give you what? H. Okay, we'll take the example now. Suppose we take the example of CH3 C double bond O Cl, which is called as acetyl chloride, which is called as a acetyl chloride. Which is called as a acetyl, chloride, to which we can add the hydrogen. In the hydrogen, of course, in the presence of palladium catalyst containing small amount of barium sulfate. Okay, and then what we'll get here? Again, the bond will break this way. Here we'll add H and here also we'll add H. So what we'll get here? CH3 CHO. So CH3 CHO, which is called as acetaldehyde, plus H and Cl combined together to gives you what? HCl. Okay, so similarly we'll take here another one, benzene ring, C double bond O Cl, and this is called as a benzoyl chloride. This is called as a benzoyl chloride. To this, you can add hydrogen in the presence of palladium and barium sulfate. And again, here the bond will break this way. Add one H on this side and add one H on this side. So we'll get benzene ring. This group is called as CHO, which is called as benzaldehyde, which is called as a benzaldehyde. Plus, we get here HCl. Okay, so this the compound which containing COCl group are called as a chloride, alkyl chloride, methyl, that is acetyl chloride, and this is called as a benzoyl chloride. So acetyl chloride gives you acetaldehyde, and benzoyl chloride gives you what? Benzaldehyde. Next, here, sixth one. Preparation of aliphatic ketones. Preparation of aliphatic ketones from acyl chloride. See, now here we have seen preparation of the aldehyde from acyl chloride. Now we are preparing the ketone, but ketone we are preparing from acyl chloride. So I'll just write down the reaction here. The first one, Grignard reagent RMGX, which is called as a Grignard reagent, react with CdCl2. CdCl2 is called as cadmium chloride. Grignard reagent react with cadmium chloride, and then you will get the product here C. Which product will get here? Normally CD, cadmium. The valency of the cadmium is 2+. 2 will go here and cadmium is 2+. And alkyl, so this part will be 1, MgX. This is the other R. So R. So when 2 come this side, what is the formula we get here? Or right here, this 2 come this side, so becomes what? R2. And this 1 goes this side. 1 minus 1 go this side, so becomes what? CD1. So your formula becomes CD1 R2. 1 यहाँ पे चला जाएगा, तो CD1 आएगा, 2 यहाँ पे आएगा R2. But this compound I can write here as what? R2CD. Same. जो यहाँ पे CD R2 था, CD R2 था, उसमें मैंने क्या लिखा? R2CD. R2CD मतलब, so similarly here, alkyl group combine with cadmium group, and what we get here? R2CD. R is alkyl, dialkyl. दो alkyl group है, dialkyl. CD is called as a cadmium, dialkyl cadmium. Plus, what is remaining here? MgX. And what is remaining here? Cl. So we get here MgX and Cl. MgX and Cl. Now balance the equation. How many R we got here? 2R. So here you have 1R. So multiply by 2R. Then we got 2 Mg. So here we are having 1 Mg. 2 Mg. 2X. 2X. 2Cl. 2Cl. And equation is balanced. So basically what we have seen here, the first step, we are allowing the Grignard reagent to react with cadmium chloride to gives you what? Dialkyl cadmium, correct? And once we get dialkyl cadmium, then we take RCOCl, and we know the RCOCl is called as a acyl chloride. RCOCl is called as a acyl chloride, and I just write here as R dash, मतलब acyl chloride, and that will react with R2CD. R2CD is called as a dialkyl cadmium. It is called as a dialkyl cadmium. Okay. So acyl chloride जो हमारा starting material है, उसमें क्या ऐड करना है हमें? dialkyl cadmium ऐड करना है, correct? And then react. You know what happened here? This Cl will be replaced by R. This Cl will be replaced by R. So what we get here? R dash C double bond O, and then this Cl will be replaced by R and plus cadmium, and we know that the valency of the cadmium is 2 plus and valency of the chloride is -1. So when they combine together, 2 यहाँ पे चला जाएगा and 1 यहाँ पे चला जाएगा. So what do we get here? CdCl2. CdCl2 मतलब स्टार्टिंग में हमने जो ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट में कैडमियम क्लोराइड जो ऐड किया था वो हमें यहाँ पे वापस मिल रहा है. बैलेंस करो इक्वेशन को. See here, how many Cl we are having? 1. How many Cl we are having here? 2. यहाँ से 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. Okay. Then we got 2R dash. 2R dash. तो यहाँ पे हमें 2R dash. 2CO. 2CO. And then this R is from here. यहाँ पे R2 है. अभी देखो यहाँ पे भी R2 है. मतलब R dash भी 2 है और R भी 2. And this compound is called as a ketone. So what is the first step? Grignard reagent react with cadmium chloride to gives you a dialkyl cadmium. ये हमारा compound है dialkyl cadmium. Okay, ये formula learn करना है. और this compound will react with the acyl chloride. ये हमारा main step है कि हम what is the heading you have given? Preparation of the aliphatic ketone from acyl chloride. तो हमें acyl chloride में क्या ऐड करना है? Dialkyl cadmium ऐड करना है. Correct. Now we'll take the example. Now we'll not write down the first step. We'll write only the second step. Okay. Okay, but suppose you don't write it down. Here's the first step. Suppose we take methyl magnesium. Yes, this is called as a methyl magnesium iodide. Methyl magnesium iodide allowed to react with CdCl2, cadmium chloride. And we know that when Grignard reagent react with the cadmium chloride, what we get here? R2CD, मतलब ये R2CD. So here also will get CH3 twice CD. CH3 twice CD. This is called as a dimethyl cadmium. Dimethyl cadmium. And then MgI combined with Cl. And what we get here? MgICl. MgICl. Now balance the equation. Cl2. I'll multiply by 2. So we got 2Cl. Then we got 2Mg. So here I'll multiply by 2. 2Mg. 2CH3. 2CH3. 2I and 2I. Equation is balanced. And then second step we take here. CH3. C double bond O, Cl, which is called as a acetyl chloride. We will react with this compound CH3 twice CD, which is called as a dimethyl cadmium. And then this is the first part. Okay, so here are CH3, C double bond O. And Cl will be replaced by which group? CH3. तो यहाँ पे आएगा CH3. Cl will be replaced by CH3, and cadmium and Cl combined together to gives you what? CdCl2. Gives you what? CdCl2, and this compound is called as acetone. It is very commonly called as dimethyl ketone, and it is also called as a propanone, okay, or propentone. Now balance the equation. जैसे general equation यहाँ पे देखो how many with CH3 या this CH3 two times. So this CH3 two times, and then this 2 CH3, and here also we got 2 CH3. So how many total CH3 we got? 2 CH3 and 2 CH3 4 times. So we got 2 CH3 and 2 CH3 4 times, and then equation is balanced because CD Cl2, CD is 1 and Cl multiply by 2. So what we have seen, acetyl chloride react with dimethyl cadmium to gives you what? Acetone. Okay. Similarly, I'll take one more example of this. Suppose we take here C6H5MgCl, which is called as a benzyl magnesium chloride, or it can be also called as a phenyl magnesium chloride. So either you can call it as a benzyl or you can call it as a phenyl. Allowed to react with CdCl2, cadmium chloride, correct? And then again, same thing here. This group will be written 2 times. So what do you get here? C6H5. One minute. I got wrong. 1 minute. Let's cancel. Sorry. I'll write the formula here. C6H5CH2 MgCl. Now this group is called as a benzyl magnesium chloride. This is called as a benzyl. This group is called as a benzyl, and then allowed to react with CdCl2. CdCl2 is called as cadmium chloride. CdCl2 is called as a cadmium chloride. And again here this group will come twice. Because why twice? Because we know that cadmium valence is 2 and C6H5CH2 group the valence is 1. Correct. So when you cross multiply, here we get CD1 and C6H5CH2 2 times. But we write this group first. So here what we'll have here, C6H5CH2 twice. Then we are having CD. Then we are having CD, and this group is called as a, this group what we got here is called a dibenzyl cadmium. This group is called as a dibenzyl cadmium, correct? Plus MgCl and this Cl. Or, and just to avoid the confusion here, because already Cl is there, so I will make this as a I. So this will becomes what? Benzyl magnesium iodide. Benzyl magnesium iodide. And so what I get here? CdCl2 Mgi and Cl. So here I'll get Mgi and Cl. Mgi and Cl. Correct? Mgi and Cl. So now balance the equation. This group we have written 2 times. यहाँ से 2 से multiply करो तो, and then here Mg 2Mg. So here we multiply by 2Mg. 2I and 2Cl. Here we got 2I and 2Cl. Once you got this, then your next step, C6H5CH2 2 times CD, cadmium, this compound, allowed to react with, So this compound, what you got here will be CH3, C double bond O, Cl. This is called as a acetyl chloride and allowed to react with what? C6H5, CH2 twice, Cd, and then, so from this side we'll have this group, correct? We'll have here CH3, C double bond O, and here this Cl will be replaced by this group. लेकिन अटैचमेंट कहां से होगा? CH2 से होगा, तो here है CH2 C6H5, CH2 C6H5, correct? This group, and plus Cd combines with Cl and we get here what? CdCl2. This group is called as methyl. This group is called as a benzyl, correct? So what formula we can here? The name will be benzyl. Benzyl methyl ketone. This group is called as a benzyl because this complete group is called as a benzyl. This complete group is called as a methyl. So name can be what? Benzyl methyl ketone. Now balance the equation. C6H5CH2 2 times. C6CH2H5 2 multiply by 2. Then 2CH3CO. Then multiply here 2 CH3CO and you got 2Cl and here also 2. Equation is balanced. So basically here you can write down only the second step लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. यहाँ पे भी दो steps है but only second step लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, correct? So we have seen here the preparation of ketone from acetyl chloride. So acetyl chloride react with what? Dimethyl cadmium and we got acetone. Second equation में क्या देखा हम लोगों ने? Benzyl से first step है और second step में क्या देखा? Acetyl chloride react with the dibenzyl cadmium. This is called as a dibenzyl cadmium. Dibenzyl cadmium. Dibenzyl cadmium. And we get what? Okay. So we have done this preparation. Now we're going for the next. That is preparation of aldehyde from nitriles. Preparation of aldehyde from nitriles. So we're going to see here how we can prepare the aldehyde from nitrile. Okay, so now the first step. So in this first step, we can say here, nitriles are reduced to imine hydrochloride. Nitriles are reduced to imine hydrochloride by using stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid. The nitriles को reduce करना है किसमें? imine hydrochloride में. कैसे? By using stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid. Okay. And so I'll just write down the first step. So कैसे करोगे? यहाँ पे देखो acid. So here we'll take stannous chloride. What is formula stannous chloride? SnCl2. Hydrochloric acid, HCl. SnCl2 react with HCl. And what we get here? will we get SnCl4. SnCl4. Sorry, 1 minute. Okay, so here SnCl2 react with HCl2 gives you what? SnCl4, and along with that we get the hydrogen here. But since we are preparing the hydrogen, this is called as a nascent hydrogen. Now balance the equation. How many Cl we are having? 2. 4. So you multiply by 2. Correct. So here we got Cl2, Cl2, 4Cl, SN1, SN1, and 2H. So multiply by 2H. So this SnCl2 is called as stannous chloride. Will react with HCl to gives you what? SnCl. Okay, I'll write down the reaction. Suppose we take here R C triple bond N. Now R C triple bond L are called as alkyl cyanide, or they can be also called as alkyl nitrile. This compound can be called as cyanide, or they can be also called as a nitrile. Okay. They will undergo reduction by using what? Hydrogen. 2 hydrogen. And from where we got hydrogen? We got hydrogen by using SnCl2 and HCl. SnCl2 and HCl. And then, one hydrogen go this side. So what will I get here? R, single bond CH. One hydrogen go this side. So double bond NH. 2 hydrogen, 1 H goes to the left side of the triple bond, and 1 hydrogen goes to the right side of the triple bond. We got this compound on plus. Once we get this compound, we'll again react with HCl, and then we get here HCl. And this type of the compound are called as imine hydrochloride. This compound are called as imine hydrochloride. Okay, and once we get imine hydrochloride, we'll undergo hydrolysis. That is H3O plus. Which hydrolysis? Acid hydrolysis, because acid will gives you H plus ion, and H plus ion combined with the water to gives you what? H3O plus. So this is called as the acid hydrolysis. Means acid hydrolysis means what we are going to add here, like you will be adding here as a water, like HOH. Add karoge. What is here? This compound RCH will combine with O. So what we get here? RCHO. RCH combined with O to gives you what? RCHO, which is called as a aldehyde. Plus, now what is remaining here? N, H1, H2, H3, H4. So N, H4 and Cl. And NH4Cl is called as ammonium chloride. See here, N, H1, H2, और यहाँ पे दो H4 and Cl. So we got this aldehyde, correct? So alkyl cyanide, or we can call them as a nitrile. Reduction means what? Addition of the hydrogen. From where we got this hydrogen? By using SnCl2 and HCl, and we got which compound here? Imine hydrochloride. And which is on which hydrolysis? Acid hydrolysis. The water add करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? Aldehyde मिलेगा. Now we'll take the example. Correct. We take the example here as CH3 C triple bond N. Correct. And this compound is called as methyl cyanide. Very commonly, it is known by a name called as acetonitrile. See, one name is methyl cyanide, other name is acetonitrile, or it is also called as ethane. Ethane 1 and 2 carbon atom. 2 carbon atom मतलब ethane. And cyanide group is also called as a nitrile. Cyanide group is also called as a nitrile. Will undergo reduction. Will add the nascent hydrogen atom. And how we have got the nascent hydrogen atom? SnCl2 and by using HCl. Again here, 1H will go to the carbon atom. 1H will go to nitrogen atom and triple bond will change to double bond. So what we get here, CH3, CH, double bond, NH, double bond, NH and HCl, and this compound what you got over here are called as acetaldehyde, but इसका नाम लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, correct? And then this compound will undergo which reaction? Acid hydrolysis. मतलब we are adding what? Water, but is also called as what? H3O plus. अगर ये word लिख रहे तो लिखने की जरूरत water. And then what we get here? CH3CH combines with O. So we get here CH3CHO. CH3CHO is called as acetaldehyde plus NH4Cl. NH4Cl is called as the ammonium chloride. So with this reaction, CH3C triple bond N, 1H goes to carbon atom, 1H goes to nitrogen atom, and triple bond will become double bond. This compound is called as what? Acetaldehyde. And acetaldehyde will undergo which reaction? Acid hydrolysis. Means we are adding water in the presence of acid, and what we get here? Acetaldehyde plus ammonium chloride. Okay, I'll take the next example for the same. Here I'll write C6H5 C triple bond N, which is called as a benzonitrile. Benzonitrile. To that you can add the nascent hydrogen atom in the presence of SnCl2 and HCl. And then here 1H will go this side, 1H will go on this side, triple bond will be double bond. So what we get here? C6H5 CH double bond NH HCl, and then whatever we have got will undergo acid hydrolysis. मतलब we are adding water ऐसे लिख सकते हो, or you may write directly here as what? H3O plus. And then here this part, yes, we take C6H5 and then CHO, and we get CHO, which is called as a benzaldehyde plus NH4Cl. Okay. सेम रिएक्शन अगर आपको लिखना है तो सेम रिएक्शन वैसे भी लिख सकते हो. C6H5 मतलब ये रिंग है, C triple bond N, same compound, that is benzonitrile. Add 2 hydrogen atom, the condition remains the same. And then same 1H will go here, 1H will go here. So we get the product here as what? CH double bond NH HCl. We got this compound. Okay, this is called as a नाम लिखना है तो लिखोगे, नहीं नाम लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन अगर लिखना रहेगा तो इट्स नेम इज बेंजन इमाइन। अगर नाम लिखना है तो बेंजन इमाइन, and then it will undergo which reaction? Acid hydrolysis. Okay, what we get here? This compound will break up with O, and what we get here? Benzene ring, CHO. मतलब same है. You can write down as what? C6H5CHO, or you can write in what? Benzene ring with CHO, and plus we get here NH4Cl, and this compound is called as benzaldehyde. Okay, so we have done the preparation of the aldehyde from nitrile. Preparation of the aldehyde from nitrile. I'll going for the next heading. Alternative में यहाँ पे और एक है, मतलब reduction of nitriles. Reduction of nitrile can also be done by using DIPALH. Means what is the meaning here? That is, it is called as diisobutyl aluminum, and H means hydride. Right here, the reduction of the nitrile can be also done by using what? Diisobutyl aluminum hydride. तो उसका नाम है diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Correct. So now here I'll write here R C triple bond N, and then over the arrow I'm writing what? DIPALH. What is the meaning? Diisobutyl aluminum hydride. And then what is second step? Acid hydrolysis. दोनों स्टेप को साथ में कर दिया. देखो पहले स्टेप में हमें क्या मिलेगा? ये कंपाउंड मिलेगा, और दूसरे कंपाउंड में ये मिलेगा. डायरेक्टली फिर क्या होगा? RCN. RCN is called as what? Alkyl nitrile, and will convert to what? RCH double bond O, and this is called as the aldehyde. The reduction of the nitrile can be done to aldehyde also by using which reagent? Diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Correct. I'll take an example here. Suppose we got the compound CH3, CH double bond CH, CH2 and single bond CH. Okay, ये compound है हमारे पास. Will undergo reduction by using diisobutyl aluminum hydride in the presence of hydronium ion, and then see here R cyanide group should change to what? CHO group. Cyanide group should change to what? CHO group. तो ये मेरा complete R है. This is complete R. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom. Correct. Sorry, and this cyanide is 5 carbon atom. So here what will get here? तो यहाँ पे कितने कार्बन एटम है? 1. यहाँ पे R और एक कार्बन एटम. यहाँ पे ये हमारा पूरा R है और ये साइनाइड ग्रुप है. But cyanide group will change into what? CHO. So I'll write down here CH3 CH double bond CH, single bond CH2, and then here we'll have what? CHO. So cyanide group has changed towards CHO, correct? So what is यहाँ पे कोई double bond था. Normally double bond क्या होता है? Reduction करने का double bond changes to single. लेकिन यहाँ पे double bond का reduction नहीं हो रहा है. क्यों? तो इसीलिए इसका advantage क्या है? देखो, the advantage of this method is that the advantage of this method is that the double or triple bond present in the molecule, double or triple bond present in the molecule does not get reduced. तो नॉर्मली क्या होता है कि अगर कोई भी डबल बॉन्ड रहेगा, रिडक्शन करोगे तो डबल बॉन्ड विल चेंज टू सिंगल बॉन्ड. लेकिन हम लोग डाई PaLH ये रिएजेंट यूज कर रहे हैं. ये रिएजेंट के कारण क्या हो रहा है? अरे साइनाइड का रिडक्शन हो जाएगा लेकिन डबल बॉन्ड का रिडक्शन नहीं होगा. द एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस मेथड इज दैट द डबल और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट इन द molecule does not get reduced. करेक्ट. तो अभी हमें इसका नाम लिखना है. देखो सेम था स्ट्रक्चर, पूरा स्ट्रक्चर सेम रहेगा. साइनाइड की जगह क्या लिख दिया हम लोगों ने? CHO लिखा. इसका नाम लिखो. इसका नाम क्या लिखोगे आप? द फर्स्ट वन. यहाँ पे कार्बन 1 2 3 4 5. ये साइनाइड है लेकिन कार्बन है, इसे नंबर करना है. साइनाइड है लेकिन कार्बन है तो नंबर कर. हाउ मेनी कार्बन एटम यू गॉट? 5 कार्बन एटम. तो क्या लिखोगे? पेंटेन. लेकिन डबल बॉन्ड है 3 और 4 के बीच में, तो 3 और रहेगा पेंटीन. करेक्ट. पेंटीन और पेंटीन 1 कंप्लीट आएगा और 1 की जगह नाइट्राइल है तो क्या आएगा? 1 नाइट्राइल. तो व्हाट इज द नेम ओवर हियर? पेंट 3NE1 नाइट्राइल. करेक्ट. एंड देन यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे आप? 1 2 3 4 and 5. Correct. And so here what is the name here? 5 means what? Pentane. 3 और 4 के बीच में डबल बॉन्ड तो 3ENE. But again aldehyde के लिए E should be replaced by what? Aldehyde. So this is IUPAC. Okay. Pent 3ENE1 nitrile और यहाँ पे ये नाम आ रहा है. Okay. So we have done the reductions of nitrile, and nitriles on reduction by using SnCl2 and HCl gives you what? Aldehyde. Okay. Preparation of ketones from nitriles. Preparation of the ketones from nitrile. So again I'll write the same thing. We'll take CH3C triple bond N. This compound is called as methyl cyanide, or it can be called as methyl nitrile, or very in the more than methyl nitride is also called as what? Acetonitrile, or 1 to 2 carbon atom is called as what? Ethane. ये रखना है यहाँ पे क्योंकि cyanide मतलब क्या आ रहा है? नाइट्राइल आ रहा है. So ethanide. So what is the name here? Methyl cyanide. Second name is acetonitrile. Third name is ethane nitrile. Now this will react with Grignard reagent. What is Grignard reagent? Methyl magnesium iodide, chloride bromide, in the presence of dry ether. in the presence of dry ether. Correct? So methyl cyanide will react with Grignard reagent in the presence of dry ether. And then what is the first step here? देखो यहाँ पे ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड के लेफ्ट साइड में कार्बन है और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड के राइट साइड में नाइट्रोजन. यहाँ पे मिथाइल और Mg, मिथाइल और Mg. तो क्या करोगे आप? मिथाइल विल गो टू वन कार्बन एटम, Mg विल गो टू नाइट्रोजन एटम. एडिशन कहाँ पे हो रहा है? अक्रॉस दी कार्बन नाइट्रोजन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. तो अक्रॉस द ट्रिपल बॉन्ड जब एडिशन हो जाएगा तो ट्रिपल बॉन्ड विल चेंज टू डबल बॉन्ड. सो व्हाट वी गेट ओवर हियर? CH3, C को क्या अटैच करोगे? CH3. ये CH3 यहाँ पे चला जाएगा, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड विल चेंज टू डबल बॉन्ड और यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? N Mg. MgI ए साइड में चला जाएगा, CH3 यहाँ पे चला जाएगा, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड विल डबल बॉन्ड. ये कंपाउंड हमें मिला. Whatever compound we have got will undergo what? Hydrolysis. Which hydrolysis? Acid hydrolysis. मतलब एक्चुअली हम लोग क्या ऐड करेंगे? वाटर. व्हाट इज वाटर फॉर्मूला? HOH. और ये लिखो यार, और क्या लिख सकते हो? H3O प्लस. एसिड हाइड्रोलिसिस. नाउ व्हाट हैपन हियर इन दिस केस? ये पूरा ग्रुप आ जाएगा हमारे पास. ओके, सो वी गेट CH3, C, CH3, CH3, C, CH3, and then double bond O, which is called as a ketone, acetone. Plus, what is remaining here? What is remaining here? MgI, MgI. और यहाँ से क्या लोगे आप? MgI. और यहाँ से क्या लोगे आप? OH. तो MgI OH. तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा? MgI OH और प्लस नाइट्रोजन रिएक्ट विथ वाटर, हाइड्रोजन, और क्या मिलेगा हमें? NH3. क्या मिलेगा? NH3. तो बेसिकली हाउ मेनी H वी आर यूजिंग हियर? 3 + 1 4. यहाँ पे हम अगर मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आ जाएगा, बैलेंस करने के बाद अपने आप आ जाएगा. करेक्ट? लेकिन ठीक है, दे आर नॉट गिवन द बैलेंसिंग. यहाँ पे एक्चुअली यहाँ पे 2 लिखना चाहिए, 2 वाटर लिखना चाहिए, बिकॉज देखो यहाँ पे एक O आ रहा है, यहाँ पे एक और. अगर 2 लिखोगे तो चलेगा. तो आइदर यू राइट डाउन दिस कंडीशन, ये लिखो, और डायरेक्टली क्या लिख सकते हो? H3O प्लस लिख सकते हो. और यू गॉट द एसिड. I'll take one more example here. C6H5, C triple bond N, which is called as a benzonitrile, which is called as the benzonitrile, will react with C6H5 MgBr, which is called as the phenyl magnesium bromide, phenyl magnesium bromide. And then here देखो, this is phenyl group, इस कार्बन के पास चला जाएगा. MgBr यहाँ पे चला जाएगा. तो एडिशन कहाँ पे हो रहा है? Across the carbon nitrogen triple bond हो रहा है. Across the carbon nitrogen triple bond हो रहा है. So after addition, triple bond will change to double bond. So what product we get here? C6H5C. C कौन अटैच करेगा? C6H5. यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड होगा और क्या आएगा? NMgBr. तो यहाँ पे मिलेगा NMgBr. Correct? And whatever we have got will undergo acid hydrolysis. मतलब क्या ऐड करना है? वाटर. एंड हाउ मेनी मॉलिक्यूल एडिंग वाटर, ये लिखो. और ये नहीं लिखना है तो क्या लिखो? और क्या लिखोगे? H3O प्लस लिखोगे. दोनों में से कोई एक. तो अभी यहाँ पे इधर बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा. तो व्हाट विल गेट हियर? C6H5C डबल बॉन्ड हो C6H5. Correct? We got this compound and this is called as a benzophenone plus व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग MgBr और यहाँ से OH आ जाएगा तो यहाँ पे मिलेगा MgBr OH, ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो, प्लस यहाँ से नाइट्रोजन और यहाँ से 2H, तो क्या मिलेगा, अमोनिया मिलेगा। बैलेंस कर सकते हो, N1 है N1 है, MgBr और OH, O कितने, देखो यहाँ पे एक O है, यहाँ पे एक O है, तो 2O, और H कितने, H2, 2 2 4H, तो यहाँ पे देखो 3 और यहाँ पे 4, इक्वेशन बैलेंस। अब सेम रिएक्शन को, इस सेम रिएक्शन को वैसे भी लिख सकते हो, और बेंजीन रिंग C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड N प्लस बेंजीन रिंग MgBr. This is called as a benzonitrile. This is called as a phenyl magnesium bromide, or here this ring will attach to this carbon atom, MgBr attached to this one. Same reaction जो यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है, खाली C6H5 लिख दिया है, उसके जगह मैंने क्या ड्रॉ कर दिया, यहाँ पे रिंग ड्रॉ कर दिया, तो what I'll get over here, a ring, right, and here I will get C, और इस C को दूसरा रिंग अटैच करेगा यहाँ पे, तो ये रिंग C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड, यहाँ पे ट्रिपल बॉन्ड की जगह क्या, डबल बॉन्ड, और यहाँ पे क्या, NMgBr, क्या आएगा यहाँ पे, NMgBr, and then whatever we have got will undergo which reaction, acid हाइड्रोल, यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड है, यहाँ पे NMgBr है, ये ऊपर का पार्ट है MgBr, करेक्ट, एंड देन हियर एसिड हाइड्रोलिसिस करोगे, मतलब क्या ऐड करोगे, वाटर ऐड करोगे, और यहाँ पे नहीं तो और क्या लिख सकते हो H3O प्लस, करेक्ट, एसिड हाइड्रोलिसिस मतलब H, एंड देन विल हाउ मेनी वाटर 2, अगर लिखना है तो लिख सकते हो, नहीं डायरेक्टली क्या लिखना है तुम्हें, H3O प्लस, एंड देन वी गेट द प्रोडक्ट ओवर हियर, 2 benzene ring C double bond O, this compound is called as benzophenol plus MgBr, और यहाँ से OH चला जाएगा तो क्या बनेगा, MgBr OH, और प्लस क्या मिलेगा, NH, बट ये हमारा मेन कंपाउंड है। देखो यहाँ पे क्या था, C6H5 C डबल बॉन्ड O C6H5, और यहाँ पे बेंजीन रिंग अटैच्ड टू व्हाट, C डबल बॉन्ड O आर कॉल्ड एज द बेंजोफेनॉल। Okay, so we have finished with the preparation. Let's stop it over here. The remaining part we'll do it in the next day.